una see Papa Tope don't come again.
So which is the water for washing hand and which is the soup?
What do you say, Papa?
Because what I'm seeing here looks the same to me. Tope. Tope.
Sir.
Could you please get me a straw so that at least I can straw this soup? Straw. Then be me
Hey!
Straw. Go and get me a straw. Thank you, Daddy.
Daddy. See, you just want to talk from our house. We are just doing as if Mommy have not tried that.
Hey, young man, sit down and eat your food.
Me, I'm enjoying my meal.
Baba Musa, shut up.
Me, I'm enjoying it.
Hey.
Tope, don't mind your daddy. Even though I make up, I wear fine dress, he will not say how beautiful I am. You are not romantic at all. Why can't you be romantic? Come and see Baba Sheyi and Iya Sheyi. When Baba Sheyi is going to work, come and see how you will hug our wife. Hug her like this. Kiss her. Why can't you be romantic like that? Why can't you copy the man?
Who told you I have not been doing it? Who told you I have not made attempt to kiss the woman? Not the first time, not the second time, not the third time, not even the fourth time. Hey, Joko, sit down there.
Baba Tope, you go and kiss
Yes!
another woman.
What you ask me now?
I don't think
What you ask me now? You ask me Talk to your mother. Talk to your mother. Woman, let me eat my food, this woman. But you asked me. Okay, talk to your mother.
Hey, make una see Papa Tope don't come again.